Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by launching Prism Live Studio and signing in. This gives you access to scenes and streaming keys. Connect your camera and microphone, then check audio meters so peaks stay below 0 dB. Once done, add any capture card or virtual camera and choose resolution and frame rate. 1280x720 at 30 FPS is fine for most streams. 1920x1080 at 60 FPS costs more CPU. Now you build a scene by adding sources: camera, screen capture, media files, or browser overlays. You should drag layers in the order you want them composited, crop or transform each source to remove black bars, and lock positions to prevent accidental moves. Once layers are set, use the audio mixer to route mics and desktop sound to separate tracks. This makes live mixing and VOD editing much easier. Make sure your transitions are assigned so switching feels smooth. Finally, enter your platform stream key and choose either direct stream or record only for testing. Then start recording to verify quality. Monitor CPU and GPU usage and watch the bitrate indicator. If you see dropped frames, reduce resolution or bitrate, or switch to a faster encoder. If audio or video disappears, first restart the affected source, then toggle the encoder between hardware and software. Most issues clear after reconnection, and make sure drivers and Prism updates are current.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.